Hello, ma'am. Hi.
Papalit lang kami
Pero-
damit, kuya. Ayan, let's go. Picture.
Pictorial tayo. Magpapalit pa po siya, ma'am. Papalit po siya damit. Okay. Hello, Jad. 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 Nice. Dito ka, ganito. Hey, like this. Nice. Ganito kayo, ganito. Yeah. Happy birthday, Jad. Then kiss, Jad. Kiss, Jad. Kiss. Wow, ganda ng Kidsona. Parang gusto kong mag-ano. Wala pa yung client. Dapat 9:30 nag-ano na kami. Photoshoot. Kaso wala pa sila. Na-late sila, na-late. Kala ko late na ako. Sakto lang naman dating ko. Ganda oh. Big time yung client. Inarkila yung buong ano. Inarkila yung buong ano. Kidsona. May tent pa sila oh. Makapag-establish pa ako sa Kidsona, guys. Ayun o, ngayon sa loob. Pasok niyo mga anak niyo dito, kaya pamangkin. Ang laki ng Kidsona na to ah. Laki oh. Arkilado niya, buong Kidsona. Ito yung party room.
Lima? Jacob, 5 kami. 4 lang daw.
Ah, dyan ka na. Ayan pala.
LJ.
Kuya, andun na yung mag-ina ko.
Andyan na pa sila.
Andyan na, andyan na.
Okay, pipicture ka lang po.
Pictorial mo yan, ha?
Opo. Hello, ma'am. Hi.
Papalit lang kami damit,
Pero-
kuya. Ayan, let's go. Picture.
Pictorial tayo. Magpapalit pa po siya, ma'am. Papalit po siya damit. Okay. Jad. Hello, Jad. 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 Nice. Dito ka, ganito. Hey, like this. Nice. Eyes here, eyes here. Nice. Ano, ride in the wheel. Jack, Jad. Ride there, ride. Yan, yan. Yes. Nice one. Jad, come here, Jack. Jack. Apo, send ko sa
Hindi
inyo.
ka mga picture sa cellphone ko, ha?
Apo. Sa loob po. Jad! Ah. Swimming.
Hey, picture,
Yan, pwede
picture.
dyan mo kayo. Maganda ba dyan? Nag-swimming na si Jat. Yan, nice here. Yeah. Thumbs up. Yan. Yan, ganito kayo, ganito. Yeah. Happy birthday, Jat. Then kiss Jat, kiss Jat. Kiss. Yan. Okay, tayo naman, tayo. Jat, come here, Jat. Dito po, dito sa harap banda. Ayan, dyan po, nakaupo kayo. Jat, Jat, come here. Let's take a photo. Picture. Later we will play. After the photo shoot, after the picture, we will play. Ayun o, daddy, with daddy. Kita kayo, yan. 1, 2, 3. Jat, look at here. Now, one more. Look at here. Smile. And group hug, group hug. Group hug. One more, one more. Sa gitna si Jat, sa gitna. Jat. Yan. Gitna ka, Jat. Yan. Okay, eyes here. Guys, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. Next, next, next. Yan. Look at here, Jat. 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 Look at here. Jat. 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 Right here. Hey. Hey, picture po kayo, picture. One, two, three, smile. One more. 1, 2. Bakit dinala kayong 14?
As we gathered here today to celebrate the 7th birthday of our dearest Jack. And now, we will bring you a fantastic and fun-filled party experience only here at Kidzuna. Happy birthday!
Picture po kayo. Jat, Jat, look at here, Jat. Jat. Jat, look at here, Jat. Hello. Lagay na lang. Yeah, smile. Talikod din, Jat.
Next course, Nana-chan is a 5-year-old pink squirrel from Japan. She is bubbly, very lovely, and she loves to play with all the kids and of course to all the parents and partners. Ayan, come here, Nana-chan. Ayan, say hi to our kids. Hi, kids.
Picture kayo, picture.
Ayan, let's pass our sincere greetings to our birthday boy, Jack. Let's all give Jack a happy, happy birthday. In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Jack.
Hindi na tayo mainit.